When it comes to accuracy and build quality, Stabila is a name that pros trust. Whether you're laying brick, fitting kitchens or framing steel, they've got a level designed for the job. Today I'm going to be breaking down some of their most popular models, plus a few that you might not have seen before. I'll give you the key specs, the best applications and some pro tips so that you can pick the right one for your work. So first of all, I'm going to tell you about the most popular models that we've got here. You can see the three in front of you. Let's start with this one. This is the Stabila Type 1962. It's an 810mm level with a heavy-duty aluminium frame with ergonomic finger grip cutouts. It's got shock-absorbing end caps that can be removed for flush corner measurements, and it's accurate to 0.5mm per metre in normal position, and that changes to 0.75mm per metre in reverse. Now this one is suited to carpentry, drywall, tiling and just general building. Good tip for that one is to keep a 1962 in a clean kit for indoor finishing, separate from your rough site tools. Next, let's have a look at this one here. This is the Stabila Type 1962. It's a 1220mm level. It's got the same high accuracy as the 1962, but it's got a reinforced profile for maximum durability. It's got rubberized end caps and wider frame to resist torsion under load. This is ideal for heavy site work where your tools are going to take some abuse. Good tip for this one is that a 1220mm length covers most stud spacing in UK construction without repositioning, so that is going to be a really handy tool to have on site. Finally, let's have a look at this one here. Now this is the Stabila Type R300. It's 810mm in length and it's got an R profile which combines high rigidity with low weight. This got a large contact surface, so that's great for stability against wide workspaces. It's got a modern ergonomic design, which is great for long days on the tools. Really handy tip for this one is that it's perfect for setting kitchen worktops because the R profile sits flat without rocking. So that's the most popular ones that we have, and you might have noticed that I've got a few more levels behind me, and what I've got there, I've got some newer and lesser known ones and some others as well, but let's take a look at the newer and lesser known models. So as you can see, I've got these three here. Now let's start this with the Stabila Type 962K. This is a bricklayer's level, 610mm in length, and it's a specialist design for bricklayers with extra thick sidewalls to survive the knocks that you might get from trowels and blocks. You can see on the end here, it's got impact resistant caps to protect against drops onto scaffolding or hard floors, and it's got dual precision milled surfaces for accurate readings, upright or flat. Its short 610mm length will make it ideal for working between courses of brickwork or in confined areas. A handy tip for this one is to make sure you wipe your mortar off immediately to keep vial visibility clear, because dried mortar can throw off your readings over time. Next, let's have a look at this absolutely massive one here. This is the Stabila Type 106T telescopic level. So this goes from 213 to 376 centimeters. It's adjustable telescopic frames, as I say, starts at 2.13 to 3.76 meters. Great for door frames, large partitions, structural steel glazing, and any tall vertical checks. It's got an internal track and locking mechanism to keep the extension rigid and accurate at any length. It's also got integrated scale markings for quick measurements without grabbing a tape. Good tip for this one, you might not expect, is that when extended, you should let the level rest for a bit before taking a reading. And that's because the temperature differences between the sections can actually affect the accuracy of the level. So finally, let's have a look at this one here. This is a Stabila Type 81S beveled spirit level. This is a metre long, 1000mm, and it's solid cast aluminium with a distinctive bevel profile for comfort in hand. The vials are machined directly into the level, which means there's no flex over time, so your accuracy is going to be much more reliable with that longer duration. The 1000mm length offers more reach than typical 600 to 800mm beveled levels, which is ideal for door frames, cabinetry and tile work as well. Handy tip for this one is that the bevel shape makes it really easy to grip with gloves, so if you're out on a cold morning or something, this is going to be perfect for you. So let's move on to the final two behind me over there. I'm going to call them my honourable mentions. So finally, let's have a look at my honourable mentions. Let's start with this one. This is Stabila Type 83S. It's 400mm and it's a solid cast frame built to take serious site abuse. Its compact length makes it a favourite for confined spaces like pipe runs or inside cabinets. It's a really handy little level to have, and this one over here is the Stabila Type 70. This is also 400mm. It's lightweight and it's an entry-level aluminium level. Simple but reliable, great for DIY, quick plumbing checks, or just as a toolbox backup. From short utility levels to massive telescopics, Stabila has a tool for every single situation. Knowing the difference means that you're not just buying a level, you're choosing the right one for the job. If you like this breakdown, then remember to leave a comment, like and subscribe, and of course you can get all of these levels right now at its.co.uk. We'll see you in the next one.